Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for birth number 5. That means if you're born on the 5th, 14th or 23rd of any month, this is the reading for you. We are going to start with oracle card from Moonology deck. So the first card that I have for you is the energy is gaining momentum. Something it is that you are doing is eventually going to gain the momentum that you think it needs. So what it also means is that you are moving towards the path of progress. A lot of things that may have been stagnant till now are finally going to cross that bridge, finally find that breakthrough, and things are going to improve. Let's see what we get from Whispers of Lord Ganesha deck as an advice for you for the month of March. Belonging, number 41, belonging. See, again, number 5. So this is the reading for you. These are the little signs that the universe gives us in terms of when you are taking a reading. So belonging talks about something that is meant to be yours will be yours in the coming few months, which is why I said the energy is gaining momentum, because you are going to be finally getting whatever it is that you are the rightful owner of. So if it has been at work, if it has been at something related to your personal life, to your career, to your finances, you will get what you are destined to get. And for whatever thing you are working hard, you are going to get it. Nothing in the world is it can take it away from you. Even if you face opposition, even if you are facing obstacles, those obstacles are going to go away. Let's see from tarot what's the card that I'm getting for you that would be the theme for the month of March. So the first card I have is the Seven of Swords. Now Seven of Swords tells me that by hook or by crook, whatever it is that you are meant to get, you are going to get it. So a lot of times when this card shows up, it also tells that you make an effort. You have to be a little strategic. You have to make a little bit of efforts if you want to get you know the goal, or if you want to achieve. So if it is that promotion, I think with this card coming up, or your finances, what it's trying to tell you is that you have to be a little tricky about it. Like you can't, I'm not going to say the honest way, but you can't go the way that you keep your head down and then you hope like the universe is going to offer you. No, that is not going to happen. If you do that, things will probably take a turn. It will happen in the long run, but if you want results right away, right now, then you have to be a little bit smart about it. You have to go out of your way to grab, or to voice your opinion in terms of what it is that you want in your life. The next card I have for you is the Nine of Wands. So you may, when you voice your opinion, or when you tell, when you oppose the decision that is being made, you'll have to walk that road alone. So you might go through a period where you feel lonely, where you feel like nobody is supporting you, nobody is taking care of you. But that is the idea why, so you can grow, you can move forward in your life. For some of you, you may also have to make like a short trip. um, if you are not doing, if you don't have a job, or if you don't have anything, one of the easiest remedies is actually to take a short trip. Take a short trip to anywhere, because it's going to activate certain aspects in your chart that can also bring you closer to getting a job. The next, see, again, there's a movement, there is some kind of movement. Also, you are going to get help from somebody in your past, somebody that you have previously met, somebody that was part of your past, is going to come back towards you and is going to help you. For a lot of people, especially from relationship wise, there's a possibility that you might have been cheated, you might have been lied to, in your relationship, and you decided that you're going to walk away from this person, you're going to walk away. And this walking away part was very hard. But for people who were strong enough to let go and move on, I do see chances of reconciliation happening with your person. So this person might establish contact again. So if you have been in no contact zone, I feel like a lot of people are finally going to receive some kind of contact, some kind of connection from their person. The next card I have for you is the Hierophant. So Hierophant tells me a lot of you might have to deal with educational institutes, or you might have to deal with your seniors, either educational institutes, your seniors, or you may have to work towards getting a position or something, you know, that could be related to teaching, that could be related to guidance, that could be related to, you know, a position of authority, seniority. So those things are very prominent for you guys for the month of March. Let's see what else is going on. Oh, Queen of Cups. Somebody is full of love. So in terms of, you know, if I have to see the zodiacs that you could be interacting with, you could be, you know, part of, I see Taurus very clearly, I see Scorpio very clearly. The other one would be Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius signs are very prominent. Then I have the 10 of wheels. So moving forward, I think you are going to make a financial gain this month. It could be in terms of a job, it could be, you know, in terms of getting a fund, or you know, getting some extra money. Maybe you've manifested some money that is going to come towards you, but I do see you getting, you know, some portion of money. At the end of the month, I think there will be stability. You are going to end the month of March with satisfaction and with happiness, that at least financially you have found yourself, you know, something like a way to figure, you know, you found yourself a way so that you can be stable in the future. It might not be a lot, especially for people who are unemployed, because I, from what I see, is a lot of number 5 people are currently unemployed, or you know, they don't have a very stable flow of income. But towards the end of the month, I think your luck is going to change, things are going to change, and you'll be in a better place financially, either in reality or at least mentally. You'll be like, okay, fine, I know what I'm going to do, and this is how it's going to happen. Let's pull a couple of more cards. See, Three of Swords. So despite this, I think you're going to be stressed about something. Somebody may lie, or you might be put in a third party relationship. Now, this card is specifically for people, you know, who are in a relationship. I feel like, you know, a lot of these people, you know, when I started this reading, it could be for people that are married, you know, or who were in no communication zone, they are separated. I feel like your person might have put you in a third party situation. It might not actually happen, but I think there is going to be some kind of disappointment that's going to be part, you know, that you have to face during the month of March. What else? And you're finally going to get over it. See, it's Three of Swords, Three of Wands. Do we have any more threes? I don't think we had any more threes. So number 3, everything is going to be quick. This disappointment is going to be quick, but then the movement forward is also going to be equally quick. So you don't have to worry about it. And even at the bottom of the deck, I have the Queen of Swords. So, you know, it tells you to be analytical. It tells you to, you know, think very well in terms of, you know, your circumstances. You have to take very good action. Moving forward, these cards are pretty good. The only thing I would actually tell you is that, you know, when this phase comes where you feel alone, where you feel lost, don't give up hope very quickly. Make sure, you know, you are relying on yourself, you are relying on your spirits, your angels, or you know, you're relying on God, whatever you believe in. But just think there is a higher power, you know, out there somewhere, who is supporting you, who is going to be there with you through the month of March, and you're going to make it work. So don't worry, everything will work out just fine. Just have faith. Don't forget to check, you know, your readings for your career and finance based on your zodiac, which will be uploaded later. And I'll see you guys next month.